Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt, in case you don't know who I am. I'd like to welcome you to this YouTube channel, which we talk about day trading, stocks, and crypto and futures. Um, and if those topics are something that interests you, I invite you to subscribe down below. And so in this video, we're going to be talking about kind of why and how I got into day trading, what my journey has been so far, and kind of what we're looking at in the future. I haven't really done a personal type of video like this in a long time, so I think it's a good time to do it. So let's go ahead and dive in. If you want to start by smashing that like button down below, it helps the YouTube channel gain some traction. So to get into it, I'm 24 right now. I started wanting to learn about stocks when I was about 17 or 18. My dad had a finance degree, and so around the time I was starting to look at colleges, I was asking him about his degree, what he studied, if he liked stocks, just kind of like the basics. And he basically sent me to do my own research on like reading about them and all of that. And in doing that, um, I ended up uh, wanting to like test the waters, you could say. And so I opened up a Robinhood account when I was 18. Started like messing around with some penny stocks because I was broke. And penny stocks at the time was like, oh, I can buy 100 shares for $1. This seems like the best thing ever. And so got burned doing that and basically went down the path that most traders take of just kind of like not having a general grasp or any mentors or anything on what's going on with trading. I don't have like had no clue how to trade, was just like basically taking random shots in the dark and lost a good amount of money, but never like too much to where it would totally just turn me off to the idea of trading, right? So fast forward about a year, I start like understanding the concepts of um, just like some basic concepts of like support and resistance, and I start doing a lot more research on my own. Start playing larger cap stocks that aren't as volatile, and I start swing trading more, right? So start swing trading predominantly for the next 2 years. So by this point, we're going into 2017, and one of my friends tells me about crypto, and I started trading crypto around July of 2017. And it was 24/7 with the markets were open 24/7, so I could go to school and work and still be able to trade. Um, they were very volatile at the time, and so I could just like I really learned a lot about trading in the forthcoming months, right? So I got to experience the big bull market of Bitcoin, right? And then in 2018, I got to experience like the down market and learn kind of that markets are constantly moving, evolving, changing, and so does your trading style, right? So at the end of 2017, I also started this YouTube channel in order to document what I was learning and basically trying to share the knowledge because I've found that I also learn better when I'm teaching, right? So if I'm talking through the topics, I'm also learning it and it's getting ingrained in my head even more. So Bitcoin starts crashing, right? We learn about shorting, you learn about all these new types of market structure and movement. And at that point, I'm still trading Bitcoin, still got my chart pools going, which was a main group. This is getting kind of remodeled into a new idea, which will be talked about later in forthcoming videos. But we really started like paying attention to stocks and basically just covering all our main markets. I realized that I couldn't just have my, even if I was trading well, I shouldn't just be in one market really that's super volatile. I need to be in multiple, right? So that helped me be able to really understand that, and that happened in 2018. So that was over a year and a half ago, basically, a year ago. And now at my current point, I am day trading futures every single day. I still swing and slash day trade crypto a little bit, but I found that I'm much more successful and can make a lot more money trading futures, right? So futures are what I'm trading are the Nasdaq futures and the crude oil futures, and I've been doing this for about 6 months now. And when I take trading full time, I still work at 9 to 5. When I take trading full time, which fingers crossed is by the time I turn 25, that's my goal. I'll be exclusively trading futures most likely. And the futures journey has been a very important journey in my trading. I've learned just so much through volatility and trending and all of these things. Even like going through the Top Step Trader Combine and becoming a funded trader through them, having to do that twice because I became funded and then messed up by trading on a holiday and then became funded again. It really instilled in me like risk management principles and even like the psychology that like I am a good trader and I can do this. And that was all through the Top Step program. So I do appreciate them for that. Um, so that's kind of where we're at now. You see a lot of these guys that are still day trading penny stocks and all of that, and so good for them for being able to do that. I can't do that personally. It's not my style. Even trading stocks isn't really my style. I do like swinging stocks a lot, and just hopping in on some volatile stocks, but trading futures is really where it's at for me. If that's something that you're interested in, subscribe down below because we're going to be talking about futures a lot. Smash this video like, and reach out to me and we can talk about futures and trading it. And I hope you have a great rest of the day and that you enjoyed kind of hearing a little bit of my backstory of how I got to where I am now. It's been about a 6 year journey and about a 3 year journey of really like hardcore pressing in on trading. Um, and I'm expecting it to last a lifetime, right? I want to be in this for the long run. I really enjoy it. It's like something that I enjoy researching and doing. So from 18 to 24, that's where we're at, and it's going to last a lot longer. And I hope to have you on the journey with me. See ya.